Hey, what's happening, guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing my PULSIO case. So let's open the box. Nothing else in there. So this is the PULSIO case. You can see all the different compartments. A little bit of a strap there. Nice hard shell case. And then over here, these should be my attachments. So these were an extra or an add-on for when I was buying it. So these would be the extras. We've got this one, which these don't fit in here. So these are the extra ones. We got this one, and that one. So those were extra PULSIO attachments for the gun. The cool thing is I can now zip them up like that. I'll chuck it in there. Cool. And then I got this as a freebie for when I bought that. So that's the PULSIO one for the legs, and then this gun came with. So it's the PULSIO, I think, Air or something. Just put that aside. Open this. Advanced recovery technology. Nice. We got this. Includes rechargeable mini massage gun, the different attachments, and then over here. So if I open her up, we got this part. Nothing on the sides. So thank you for your purchase. Whole long list of stuff in the back. Anyways, yeah. User manual. So this is the fork. Well, let's see what attachments there are now. We got the. I'll show it like this. So in here we got the fork attachment. Right, we have the bullet attachment. Okay, what's next here? We got the round attachment, which is hard, and then we got the flat attachment. Okay, so I think this is the silver one of that flat attachment. And then that's just a longer one. So yeah, okay, cool. And then we've got the actual device itself. Feels quite solid in the hand. Let's see if it comes with power. No. Oh, there you go. And there you have it. Zoom through. And to turn it off, I think I'll hold. Cool. And there you have it, the PULSIO Air. I got that for free, as I said, with my leg ones. But if you guys have any questions or comments, let me know. And I will definitely comment below. So that fits in there. That fits like that. I guess that's meant to be on it. That one, the bullet, and then all these newbies in here. Nice. And the charging cable. Cool. And that's there you go. So PULSIO Air plus the case and the extra attachments. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know.